Let me tell you something about this guy. He's the Belching Beaver. And he's as rude as the gopher from Caddyshack and half as charming. Okay? So this is a peanut butter milk stout from Belching Beaver in Oceanside, California. All right. Definitely smell the peanut butter. It smells very sweet. This is probably a creamy peanut butter, not a chunky. I'm a chunky guy. It's okay. It's just okay. It lacks the heft, the depth, the richness that I've had in other peanut butter stouts, and particularly the left-handed milk stout. Let's try it again. Yeah, it's silly. I hate to sound snotty here, but it's insipid. It's just a little, it's kid stuff. I don't feel like it qualifies as a stout because it's not stout. It's kind of just, it's a little watery. Did you have trouble making the budget, Little Beaver? Did you have to put a little water in your peanut butter milk stout? I gotta say, people who don't know better. This is a beer maybe you would try when you get like a 6-pack, like a variety 6-pack kind of thing. And do what you want, please. Try all the beers you want. This show is for people who try lots of beers, but I would kind of say you can skip over this one. There's just better ones. There's just better ones out there. You can find them.
To the lips, to the eyes, to the girls who will love us someday.
Why indeed? I'm not sure. I'm not sure why this is beer. I'm not sure it'll be a beer much longer. I'm not sure who's buying this. After this show ruins them. Nope, I wouldn't. And it's not because it's not horrible. Hold on. Is it bad? Yes, it's bad. Simply because it's not good. It's disappointing. As a fan of stouts and a fan of peanut butter, it's disappointing. You put all your stake, like you called your company Belching Beaver. You guys are just fucking around. I've had a few of their other beers and I also was not impressed. You're silly. My name is Chad Briggs. Thank you so much for watching. Why is this a beer?
All the happy